You need natural honey. Natural honey is supposed to be natural. So if you need soft pink lips, my dear, this is the amazing home remedy you can use at home. You need only 1 teaspoon, as I told you. Remember, this home remedy, no side effects. Now, after getting our teaspoon of natural honey, we need also another ingredient. Now from there, we need also sugar. Your sugar can be white in color or can be brown in color. So you need also another 1 teaspoon. Only 1 teaspoon, guys. Here you go. Yes. So the next ingredient is coconut oil. Okay. But remember, if you don't have coconut oil, you can use also olive oil. We need also 1. Now you're going to mix very well. Trust me, for soft pink lips, sugar, yes, coconut oil or olive oil and natural honey, you'll be shocked. Now here is our home remedy. So I'm going to tell you when and how to use such amazing home remedy for you to get soft pink lips. This home remedy is for soft pink lips. It means if you have been yearning for soft pink lips or to get soft pink lips, you have been admiring your friends who have soft pink lips, my dear, here we go. How are you going to use this home remedy to get soft pink lips? Now, I want you, before applying this home remedy on your lips, make sure that your lips are clean and dry. Okay? Are clean and dry. Then from that, get a little amount of your remedy like this one. Apply it on your lips and then scrub your lips gently in circular motion for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. From that, leave that remedy to stand on your lips from 5 to 7 minutes. Please don't exceed 7 minutes. Then after 5 or 7 minutes, use lukewarm water to clean your lips. Okay? Lukewarm water to clean your lips. Don't use hot water. Now, for good results, I want you to repeat that procedure 3 days in the week. Please, 3 days in the week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't exceed 3 days in the week. Trust me, in 4 weeks, those are 12 days. Only this will give you soft, nice looking pink lips.